Ciao a tutti, welcome back to my vlog. For this vlog, we're going to unbox Atem Mini, which actually 2 years ago pa binuksan, but it's only now that I am going to post this vlog because no time to edit, as you all know, very busy. At nagkaroon lang ng saglit ngayong araw na ito na merong chance to do all this editing as much as I can. So this is Atem Mini. This is used for broadcasting, for live streaming, and this is good if you have 4 cameras and you want it a studio type and you want a better class presentation, a higher class presentation of your videos, interviews, or an event. So this is the box of the Atem Mini Pro, and the difference with the Pro and the non-Pro yung sa keyboards. Then you have here the guide, a software installer also, then that of the Black Magic I mean. And you have the access to DaVinci Resolve, which is actually a program which is just like Adobe Premiere. I suggest that you, if you don't have money to buy Adobe Premiere, you can use DaVinci Resolve, which is almost the same. It's a little bit complicated too, but the quality is the same as the Adobe Premiere results. So inside we have the charger, the connectors, this box. Then the next one is the Atem Mini itself. So tanggalin natin itong plastic ito. Basta yung nakatakip. And there you go. So you have 4 cameras, 4 HDMI, and then you have already sa likod pwede mong you can connect it to the internet. You have 4 HDMI, 1 HDMI out, USB out, and for the power. Then you can also connect 2 microphones for this. So that's it. Wala tayong puro mga pictures because I cannot take vlog while I am working, no, di ba? So yun. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that we can use it in the ministry once na pwede nang makapag-gain through our channel. And see you next time. Marami pang videos. Ciao!